Hi, I'm Peter Velos and I'm here with Cassava. This plant is also known as yucca or manioc, depending where you are in the world. And this is a really easy plant to propagate because, as you can see on the on the on the shoots, there's all these little nodes, and each little node is ready to shoot off new roots and to begin a new plant. So with this one, you could lop it off, and then once you've got a couple pieces cut off, you can start to take little cuttings and propagate new plants just by cutting it at about 6-inch segments. Once you've cut these into new segments, you just pop them into the ground and it'll start a new plant. But the reason this plant's great is because it creates shade for your surrounding plants, the greens that are more sensitive to the sun. And it also is good because what you eat are the roots that are growing underground, and it takes about a year, but in some places in the world, people will also eat the leaves. This plant is also great because it is a natural phosphorus fixer, so the natural microorganisms in the soil called mycorrhiza will work symbiotically with the roots to break down the rocks, and it allows the roots to absorb phosphorus. Then the phosphorus will be deposited on the ground when the leaves fall off and create mulch. Or if you take cuttings and just lay the plant itself on the ground. Anyway, in another video I'll show you guys about planting them, and thanks for watching.